I've seen the northern lights, the British countryside, every single southern college town. Sat with important men and felt like one of them. Stood at Cyprus in between the clouds. I thought I'd seen all there is to see. I spent all this time chasing my dreams, and none of them came true till you were here with me. It's a wonderful world filled with fabulous things. I trade it all away to have you here with me. It's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. I've taken medicine, I bought an ottoman, I got a bigger house with bigger trees. I'm getting better at not blaming mom and dad. I'm trying to figure out what it all means. I thought that I'd done all the right things. I spent all this time building a dream, but none of it came true till you were here with me. It's a wonderful world filled with fabulous things. I trade it all away to have you here with me. It's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. It's a wonderful world. I spent all this time chasing a dream, but none of it was true until you were here with me. It's a wonderful world filled with fabulous things. I trade them all away to have you here with me. I trade them all away to have you here with me.
I've heard my entire life that the person you're meant to fall in love with will come when you least expect it to. At a time I was down and out, and at the lowest point in my life, there you were. Patient, understanding, and unwavering. Sweetheart, I'll love you today, tomorrow, and until I take my last breath on this earth. I can tell you I love you more than anything in this world. You're truly my best friend. Every time I talk to somebody that knows you, they tell me how lucky I am to be with you. But honestly, I don't need those reminders. Because the truth is, I wake up to you every day, and thank God I get to call you mine. You're loving, kind, and kind of funny. You see the best in everyone and go out of your way to make sure every person you meet is happier. I spent 29 years saying I'd never change for nobody. Saying I'd never grow up. Still kinda have it. And I will spend forever trying my best to be the man that you deserve.
From the day I met you, I knew you were my forever Taco Bell date. I walked into this fairy tale with my eyes wide open, choosing to take every step along the way. You make all the bad days good and always manage to put a smile on my face. It's you I have to thank for boosting my self-confidence and reminding me I am beautiful and lovable even on my worst days. You gave me life when I thought I had none left, and 3 of my biggest blessings. You have supported me and helped me grow as a person. You are truly my best friend and love of my life. Today I stand before you promising to be the calm to your storm, your haven of peace, and your source of unwavering support. I vow to listen with an open heart and to share my dreams with you. I promise to always be your biggest cheerleader with the cheesiest chance, your partner in growth, and your anchor when life's waters get rough. I will always be here to pray for you and encourage you to become the man God intended you to be. I vow to love you unconditionally, to choose you every day, and to honor the sacred bond we share for now and for always.